This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. Last time we started on the wheel. This time we're finishing off the wheel basically. So we've got the other metal outside piece which attaches to the bit that we've already started on. That is held in place with 3 screws which are in this packet here. 1, 2, 3. We shall get that put together. Those lined up and then through there. Then we need to do some other stuff that I haven't got prepped as yet. What we do need to do is get some hot water, or actually pretty much boiling water, because this is a very, very solid wheel. It's not, it just about moves under a lot of strain. So there's no way that is going over there as it is. But what we can do is soften it up by placing it in some water. And that will soften it up quite a lot. So I shall get myself some hot boiling water, leave that in it for a couple of minutes, and then pop it over this hub that I'm just finishing tightening up the screws of. So we'll get that done there. I shall also bring in the rest of the base plate that we've been building with, and we'll be attaching that on there, and then we can finally attach our hub to it as well. So let me get that sorted. I shall see you in just a moment. Right, here we have it. It's been soaking in there for a few minutes. So now should be, oh, indeed is already soft and pliable. So let's dry off, especially the insides of that. It really is amazing how much difference that makes, but it certainly does. So that can now go on there. It doesn't matter which way around by the looks of it. It's got might do actually it might matter. Let's have a look. This has got that going that way, and that's going to go on there like that. I want the arrow bit to be pointing that way, so I'm going to put it on that way round. So that will pop in there sort of halfway, and then try and get the other half in without popping the first half completely out the other side. Just like so. So with any luck, once that goes on there, not that you'll be able to see the wheels underneath anyway, when that's on there, the tread pattern is going the same way as that wheel. So we'll get it on there. Might as well do that now. This is going to locate on there. There is a keying in position on there which you need to get lined up. Should be a bit like that. No, that needs to go further on than that. That's obviously not lined up properly. So if I can stop that rotating. About there. That's better. That's on all the way, I think. So we'll get our screw in the end there. Assuming that fits. Feels like that's tightening up. That does. That will do up nice and securely onto there. And there we have another part completed. We'll pop the magnetic hubcap on there, as with the other one from the other side. And that is that. So far, so good. Another piece completed. It's, yeah, interesting. I would have thought it would have been the other way up, but the battery pack, I don't know, the battery pack is accessible from underneath, I think. I can't remember now. It's been so long since I've done anything with that. I assume that is the battery pack. It's got to be, isn't it? Not sure. We'll worry about that later. But for now, that's another issue done. Next time, we're going to be putting the outer surround on there and then making this even longer. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I shall dispose of my water safely. And we'll see you for more very, very soon. So, stay safe. Bye-bye for now.